Hey, hello?
Yo,
Where you at, man?
come by the white van right now, man. Hurry up.
What, the white van? Alright, man, I see you, man. I'll be with you in a bit. Alright.
You haven't left at that spot.
Oh my god, it's you again with your yelling. What do you want?
What do I want? I told you to do grocery like how long ago? That was like 3 hours ago. I called you. You haven't left at the spot I left you this morning. And
You know, I'm not actually working today. This is my off time. Can I just enjoy my off time?
And-
Why do you have to just come home and just start yelling?
you're chewing that again?
It got a name. GARAABO.
I don't care what's it called. You're chewing again.
مقنجمسة والله والله بالله مقنجمس. You just came home. Can you?
I just came home
Came
because
from work. Can you just please just relax?
I can't relax.
Just chill.
I can't relax. You're chewing this thing again.
You and yelling. You just.
We are in the cycle where you say you're gonna quit and you don't quit, and I come home to you and you chewing that. It looks like
أباي معك. Could you just مرقانك هيجي تجبنين قفيها. مرقانك هيجي تجبنين. محلك اللي نسا. Why do you have to just come home and just yell and just do all this stuff that you don't even have to do? You don't have to just come in the house with
you're
grandma.
not doing anything.
Abai, it's
Do you
not-
see? I left this morning and you were at the same spot you were at, chewing this fucking thing again.
مرقانجمسة والله. All you do is just yell.
You're listening.
Did you just push me?
You're gonna
Did
listen
you
to
just
me.
push me?